Welcome back. I am Akanksha and this is Valentine's Day special video. Today we are going to see three different types of easy and simple handmade greeting cards for your loved ones and also different ways to write the word love. So, if this is something that might interest you, let's get started with the video. Before we go, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also, I make personalized handmade greeting cards. So, if you want to place your orders, you can email me at the address mentioned. With that out of the way, let's get started with our video. In the first one, I have taken a map of India. So, you can take any map, and I've taken A4 size sheet. I've placed the map and pasted the map on it. And now all I'm going to do is I am going to make a few chits and write down some places where you have a special connection with or where you've traveled with your loved ones. It could be anybody, and you can write down a sweet message over there. So this is a different kind of customized card for your Valentine, and it can be very special. You can write down any message which you like, which you share a bond with them. So here on the side also you can write down some message, and this is how your card will look. Very different, yet very special and very customized. For the next card again, I have taken an A4 size tinted sheet and I'm drawing out a circle and I'm going to cut it out, and then from the behind I placed a clear plastic sheet, and then I'm going to cut out a few of heart shaped papers and stick a bigger round shaped paper, something in contrast. So that's it for the card, and you can decorate the remaining part as you like. So this will give like a different effect for our greeting card. And for our final card again, I've taken a world map. You can cut out whichever part you like. Since I am from India, I made sure that it had India. And just the round shape, I've cut it out and pasted it on an A4 size sheet and decorated it as per, my creativity. So this is how you can make simple and easy personalized handmade greeting cards for your Valentine this Valentine's Day. I hope you liked it. And now let's move on to 10 different ways to write the word love. So I'm just going to leave it here along with the music. You can enjoy how I've written it. I've used brush pens, sketch pen, and simple fine liner pens for this. It's very simple to do and very interesting. and wish you a happy Valentine's Day. May we all find lots of love in this world. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you soon.